Hey guys, this is Kushal. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how easily you can message somebody through Python on WhatsApp. So any of your friends or colleagues or peers or even bosses, you can message them or have an automated script that can message them whenever you want. So all you need to do is basically start off with PyCharm. So now for the current IDE, I'm using PyCharm. And let's start. Let's import a few of the libraries. So kit, and we need to import Flask, and then this is script. So it's kit dot send message, send message, and go to number 6177720. So this is my boss's number. I'm gonna say, hey, Easter from my message gonna look like now. It's the time is 1,00,0,0. So 1 is the hour, 00 is the minute, and this is a second. So this is what it's gonna look like. Now done. All we need to do is use this and run it. Right? So you can either run from this or you can run from console, whatever you like. So from console, just go to the directory and do run your file name, so message on WhatsApp.py, whatever. Then you can go on main.py and then hit enter, or you can just go to here and then press play. First you need to import PyWordKit. So you gotta see if you have PyWordKit installed. So you have Flask installed, that's all good. Now you need PyWordKit. That means yeah, PyWordKit is done. That means we're already up, ready to load. So if you load now, it's gonna say yeah. So in 2477 seconds, WhatsApp will open, and after 0 seconds, message will be delivered. So this guy, my boss, is gonna get a message called Happy Easter from Kushal from my WhatsApp. Automatically,